This is Naomi, your desert sailor, and today I'm covering a very unique event here on Lake Mead with the Nevada Yacht Club. They do an endurance long distance race. This is a really unique endurance long distance race because it's held in a lake. There are 3 basins included in Lake Mead, plus the Overton Arm, and sailors have to sail non-stop. They don't use their motor, and they sail throughout the night. They choose a weekend with a full moon so that they can see through the Narrows, and this particular weekend we had crazy winds.
Towards Callville? Yeah, so Callville Bay. Right over in front of this somewhere, there's going to be a marker. Okay. He gave us the coordinates for it. We round that, head up through the Narrows, around this east point, around this Napoleon's tomb thing, down to way over here. We go around this one, and then head back out, up here to about where the O's at from what I looked at on the
around here somewhere
GPS,
should be the
turn,
GPS marker.
come back down, and then back down through and back around that.
Okay. First and foremost, okay, it's going to be blowing out there. We're going to have gust up to 35 knots. All right. Now, 2 new guys. When I say new for this regatta, for this race, all right, we're going to be trailing you guys more than anything else. We're looking after you guys. Ghost, we're expecting you to horizon the fleet. Okay. Now, with that said,
Pressure.
I need your communications with Little Rascal.
Yep.
Okay, Little Rascal communicates, and then he will communicate back to me, all right? Because I'm going to be hanging with these guys more than anything else. So as you guys are going into Temple Bar, I'm going to blow up Temple Bay and make sure we got the right coordinates for the channel marker. Now, there can be some hazards out there. Right in this area here, all of this right here, okay, has tendencies to be shallow. Questions, comments, concerns?
Where's the start line?
The start's going to be on the other side of Boulder Islands, right over there.
Roger.
Okay? The start's going to be on Boulder Islands, right over there. 9 o'clock start. Okay? Anything you guys got?
Yeah. It's at 1. Okay.
Because it's crazy winds and you know how it is, unless I have my little thing up. Skipper Roger here, first mate Mariah, and I'm just your lonely crew, Naomi.
Race committee. This is Ghost. Do you copy?
I don't know if it's a white marker or
a red marker. 72?
Yes.
You said it's a channel marker, right?
Yeah.
So, this is Little Rascal. We copy?
Yeah, do you know what color that Callville marker is? Because we see one, but it's white, not red.
Oh yeah, I see her, but it is on my port side, BTW. God, we don't want to jibe. Oh well. Right. We passed that first marker. For number 1 marker is at the entrance to Callville Bay. And then you take it to the starboard side and then head for the entrance to Boulder Canyon. And now we're in Boulder Canyon and the wind is shadowed a bit on this first leg. We're on a broad reach. We're coming around to our first red marker turn in the canyon. It's pretty much a 90 degrees, so we'll be tacking on this next leg.
This would be way stressful with 2 people.
So right towards that orange, Roger, you want us?
Right where we're at right now is perfect.
Okay.
Okay, well the wind is cooperating now, so. Although we're getting a little bit of a luff in that jib.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's pulled out, it's not going anywhere. Correct.
Channel marker to starboard. Look how close we are to that cliff. Here we are entering Officially entering the Narrows.
Naomi, we're going to drop this and go to the other side.
You bet. Ready. All right, the wind is cooperating. Crazy. It's really cooperating. Really lucky that the wind is cooperating so well. See a little puff.
I can see it, yeah.
On wide angle. Get the whole thing. Get that whole beautiful thing.
Race committee. This is Ghost. Do you copy?
Just made it through the Narrows.
Kind of, it bounces around in the Narrows, so they might
And it actually looks like
be back with the
little
last.
rascal is maybe
Coming out.
stuck in a little doldrum there. Next stop, Temple Bar Basin.
Temple Bar!
This is the perfect heading where we're going.
Awesome.
No.
16.8 kilometers, Temple Bar Buey. David Buey. Temple Basin on our way to Temple Bar. And we're dealing with some pretty kooky gusts because of these thermals. Luckily, I'm sailing with a bunch of kite surfers. You probably can't hear a word I'm saying. How many?
We're at 23 knots.
What's the max we've seen so far? 30. A little bit of a double beat time, but we're gonna wait. We don't have to. That was the Temple Bar mark. What's the time?
2:52.
Is that the Santana? Yeah. Sweet, right. Woo! Frank and Anthony.
Okay, go. Stand by for copy of Echo Bay Buoy. Echo Bay Buoy, north 36, 13896, west 114-24371. You are looking absolutely gorgeous out there on the water, my friend.
Switching helmsman, approaching the Overton Arm buoy marker. What color is it?
It's red.
Red, okay.
It's off to your starboard side at like about 1 o'clock. Were we faster on wing? Because I'd really like to throw that pole up.
Actually, we were not.
10 minutes?
10,
You can probably see it now. It is off to our right.
GPS says how far?
2.5.
Okay. 4:45.
Little rascal. She's on her downwind leg there. And again, you probably can't hear it. Well, it's not letting up. How was your pee?
It was bumpy. But now I get a cookie.
Yeah, good girl. What time is it, Mariah?
Oh, we've been sailing 9 hours.
So what time is it with this beautiful light on your face?
1816.
1816. So pretty. We're approaching the Narrows and we have a pretty close haul position. We're going to be tacking and everything. Time?
Almost 7.
That baby in record time even.
As soon as we get around the corner, we're going to get more wind for sure.
There we go, maybe.
Could be smack in the middle or
All right, 1 mile from
the Callville Bay marker. Yep, and it is 10:30, so we'll probably be around in about 10 minutes.
We're 1 kilometer, not a mile.
Oh, it's kilometer.
Yeah.
Oh
so
my
this
goodness.
GPS is kilometers.
Oh brother. We have knots, kilometers, and miles going on here. And yes, we are sailing at the light of the moon, everyone. That's how this works. We've run aground. Yep. We've tried everything and we can't get her off. And we were doing so well and we were winning. We have little Rascal hanging out there. Can't see her. So she's just keeping an eye on us. We could probably tell her she could go. And we're waiting for committee boat. So everybody was still going through the Narrows, and so committee boat stayed behind.
Okay. Little rascal, this is Ghost. Do you copy? Yeah, you guys may as well go ahead and head on in, finish the race. We're fine. We'll just sit here and wait for Clay.
All right, cool. Let me check in with Clay and let him know what we're doing.
Copy that.
Race committee, this is Little Rascal. We are free and underway again. Woohoo! And we're motoring back. It was a great day and a great learning experience. But now we're really tired.